Good evening. Andito tayo sa Pasang Malam ngayon. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog, Mama Liz Vlog. Andito tayo sa Pasang Malam afternoon market ang tawag doon. Ang daming mangga dito guys, mga prutas, iba-ibang mga prutas, mga pagkain dito guys. Ayan. Dito tayo sa Pasang Malam ng Bandar Baru, Bangkang, Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Ayan, 10 ringgit. Ano naman ang nakita mo dyan? Yan, daming 2 kilo for 10 ringgit. And marami ding gulay dito guys. What we gonna buy? We buy for Galdi's food. Marami ding gulay dito guys. Gulay-gulay, mga banana. And green. Ay, don't have the chicken. Yan daming gulay dito guys. Yan malaliit na pepino, mangga, may talong pa na maliit. Saan yung where is the chicken? Where we go to another place there. There, we walk that side. May sugar cane drinks. Yan, ginagawa nila. Lakad-lakad lang tayo guys dito sa Pasang Malam. Hold my bag. It's not too heavy. Drink na naman. Wait lang. Daming mga kamatis kayo dyan. Yan, kamatis. May chili ang daming. Bawang, patatas. Ayan, What is this?
This one, the one shoot our feet.
No la, where do you soak the pit? That one is bamboo shoot.
You.
Bamboo shoot, that one can eat. Labong.
Asang ko dyan shoot.
Yung 5 ringgit ang isang tumpok. Ay, 3 tumpok dito guys. Dito tayo bibili ng gulay ngayon kasi marami tayong gulay. Where?
There, up.
Nakita daw niya yung mangga doon sa may punong kahoy. Doon, Dreaming. Your friend, that one is your friend, Yeah, that's your friend,
He's not my classmate.
Yeah, it's your classmate, Your friend,
No. You don't even give him money.
But why you don't have money? You have to give what? You have to give,
No, I have to give him 1 ringgit.
You must give lah.
No. I'm
Must give
still a
money.
kid.
Ang daming isda dito, guys. So, yan. 10 isa. 3 longkok.
Ringgit ka. Look at the chicken box.
Wait. What we gonna buy here? Daming mga prutas dito, guys. 3 kilo. May guayabo na din 1 kilo daw ang 10. 5 ringgit ata ang isang Bili kami mamaya. 5 ringgit ang isang tumpok. Ayan, 10 ringgit for isang 3 basket pala yan. Ang daming mangga dyan, Yeah, this fall already down 1,
6 kilo,
6 kilo sa pulo daw. Kami, saan ang We have to buy the chicken. Where's the chicken? Where is the chicken? Drinks. Yan, Dito kami sa guys, dito sa may Pasang Malam ng Bandar Baru. What drinks you want? Wait, you ask how much that one? I think that one. Uncle John want this one. Always chicken. Kadisan. How much one?
one,
Mhm.
25.
Oh, this one is kampong ah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wait ah. That one is kampong. 25. Ay, sus, isang ano lang. We find another one.
Later, can you have drinks?
Yes, I buy the drinks later.
Because I'm thirsty and sweating.
Ay, you're thirsty and sweating. Si Audrey, thirsty daw and sweating. Ano? Wala pang ano. Ay, dito. We buy here also. We do black first before we buy, okay? Ano, marami ding nanghihingi ng pera dito, guys. Maraming pagkain dito, guys. Yan o. Yan. 10 ringgit for saan kaya ang pagkain? Ayun na. Ano, ang dami oh. Okay. Dito ko tatapusin ang ating video sa oras na to. Maraming salamat. Sana'y panoorin yung aking mga vlog. Please, kung hindi man kayo nakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please subscribe my channel, Mama Litz Vlog. Bye for now. Thank you. Have a good day.